Hello guys, hope you all good and great. So welcome to SC Hosty. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for latest update and regular tips. So here's your good news guys. We are presenting our channel which name is SC Hosty. Here you can see all the details about the races like race card tip of live races. So please visit my channel for getting proper and the faster information. 2nd April Kolkata race be happening. Total 6 race event are there. So first event of the race is the Amber Handicap. It is 60-100 meter race and started 2:45 p.m. And my only one choice is Septimus Servus. It will be ridden by RS Bhatti. So let's move forward to the next one, guys. Which is the second race over here. The event name is the Robin Hood Handicap. It is 1200-meter race and started 3:50 p.m. And my first choice is 10 Chili Lady. It will be ridden by Neeraj Rawal. And my second choice is 8 Kind Red Spirit. It will be ridden by Vivek Ji. So let's move forward to the next one, guys. Which is the third race over here. The event name is the Dare to Dream Handicap. It is 1100-meter race and started 3:45 p.m. And my first choice is 6 Kalahari Gold. It will be ridden by S. Saba. And my second choice is 7 All Time Legend. It will be ridden by Imran Cheshti. So let's move forward to the next one, guys. This is the fourth race over here. The event name is the Adila Handicap. It is 40-100-meter race and started 4:50 p.m. And my first choice is 9 Spec Culture. It will be ridden by P. Treor. And my second choice is 10 Dubai King. It will be ridden by Mustaqim Alam. So let's move forward to the next one, guys. This is the fifth race over here. The event name is the Etiquette Cap. It is 1600-meter race and started 4:45 p.m. And my only one choice is 5 Savvy Cheek. It will be ridden by P. Treor. So let's move on to the last one, guys. Which is the also 6 race over here. The event name is the Native Nightcap. It is 2000-meter race and started 5:50 p.m. In this also my only one choice is 2 Dubai Star. It will be ridden by Abdul Faisal. Thank you so much guys. Please like, share, subscribe our channel for latest updates and regular tips. Test me on this number for tip. Pet tip charge only 5 and best of luck for riding.